Hey guys, welcome to Grey Thoughts. I accidentally stopped recording on the other one, so I'll post these two together. I'll post them both at the same time. Here's the one that I accidentally turned my iPad off. I'm just gonna bring all of you in. Everybody, come in. I'm not dealing with a stupid ritual. Fire extinguisher time. Yes. I'm stupid. Why is the head banging over here? Bleeding, bruises, headache. Bleeding, bruises, headache. Bleeding, bruises, headache. Bleeding, bruises, headache. Oh my gosh. You know what? No! No, I'm not taking care of you. And you. I'm not taking care of any of you. None. I hate you all. Into the bin go. Also, that was a moment to my fans. I love them. I love you all. Love you. Flu, and then bleeding. Flu, and then bleeding. thingy is. What? What? What the? There's two Raphews. Are you a fake Raphew? No. Only Raphew. I'm so good at this. And stay down. Stay down, everyone. Anyway, bye.